Today we're going to go over how to turn your film into a 3D GIF in Photoshop. And if you haven't already, go back and check out episode 1 where we actually used the camera. Let's get started. So this is what your scan should look like. First, we want to edit out any dust or anything else you want to change. Bring up your rulers. Go to View, Rulers. And mark your edges for your crops. This will come in handy later. Now we want to go through starting from the first frame and just crop and save into a new folder. I typically use 1 through 4. This just makes the stacking easier. Then I save the entire scan just for safety. Now we go to File Scripts, load files into Stack. And you just want to browse and locate those files you just saved. Now we want to open a timeline. Go to Windows and click Timeline. Now the next part is very important. We want to line up our images. So we're going to start from the second to the bottom. Make sure only the bottom 2 are highlighted, frame 3 and 4. Lower the opacity on frame 3 so you can see frame 4 below. Typically, I use the face and the eyes to line up an image. Make sure to turn the opacity back up and do the same thing for frames 2 and 3. And 1 and 2. Now we create our frame animation. Start from the top and make sure all layers are visible. Click New Frame, Layer icon. Next, hide the first layer and create a new frame. Now repeat that process all the way down to frame 4. And you want to go back in reverse frame 3 and frame 2. This will give the GIF a smoother transition back to the beginning. Now click play and take out any repeating frames. Now we're just going to crop out the edges. And now we want to save this as a GIF. So we go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. And depending on where you want to host your GIF, there might be some file constraints. So just make sure that you are not totally butchering the GIF when you make it smaller. So you should have something that looks like this. Now remember, the most common mistake is leaving an extra frame in the frame animation step. So just go back and make sure that you've taken all the duplicate frames out. This will make your GIF go a lot more smoothly. And if you like this channel, like and subscribe and leave your comments below. I'd love to hear how your experience went or if you have anything else to add that I may have missed. All right, thanks so much. Peace.